If you're looking for a twist on a coleslaw recipe, then you are not going to want to miss this video. It's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So first I want to start out by saying, if you can get through this video staring at this crazy hair, thank you. I just got home from work and I wanted to film this video, and nothing I can do is going to help it. It is such a windy, drizzly, rainy day out. And we were outside today, so this is the end result, so I apologize ahead of time. So we're going to be making a Mediterranean coleslaw. I found this recipe over on Budget Bites. I will link the recipe in the description box for you, so you can go please check them out. I would greatly appreciate it. It just sounded really, really good, so I thought I would go ahead and make it for dinner tonight, and I was going to share it with you all. So let me quickly go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started.
Alrighty, so we have some fresh parsley, a red pepper, salt, olive oil, black pepper, lemon juice, granulated garlic or garlic powder, oregano, feta cheese, banana peppers. I bought the sweet heat ones, but you don't have to have that. That's new. I just thought that would be really good. I have some sliced olives. It's a 2.5 ounce can. And I have a bag of the colored coleslaw. And that is all the ingredients that we're going to be using today.
Alrighty, so we're going to start with the dressing first. So I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil in here. And now we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I use granulated garlic. And a teaspoon of oregano. I am not a huge oregano fan, so I'm not going to do the full teaspoon. And then we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. And that is all the ingredients that goes into this salad dressing. It is a lemon garlic vinaigrette. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put this aside, and then we'll get our coleslaw and we'll start. Alrighty, so I have my bowl here to mix everything up. I have a bag of the coleslaw. We're just going to dump that right in there. Like that. Now I have a 1/2 jar of the banana peppers. I went ahead and bought the sliced ones, and then I went ahead and chopped it up a little bit more so I didn't have whole slices in there. So we're going to dump that in. And then I have a 1/2 of a red pepper that I chopped up. And I have a 2.25 ounce can of black olives. I bought the whole ones because it was buy one get one free, and I just sliced them up myself. I have a 1/4 cup of fresh parsley, and then I have, it calls for 2 ounces of feta cheese. I don't know how much I have here, but I love feta, so that is going in there. Alrighty, now we're just going to mix this up real quick, and then we'll add our dressing. Doesn't that look beautiful? This spatula is a little flimsy. Should have had a bigger bowl. I don't like this spatula. Oh, I got one right here that I forgot. I gotten that one out, not realizing this one was laying over there. There we go. This one's much sturdier. Oh, there's a hunk of cheese there. Alrighty, now we're going to go ahead and take our salad dressing. We're just going to pour that right on top. And then give it a really good stir so it's completely mixed up. It's one of my favorite things. I love coleslaw and I love the Mediterranean dishes, so hopefully this is a good one. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and refrigerate this for at least a half an hour and then we'll do a taste test. All right, my friends, we're gonna give this a quick little stir and then put a little bit on a plate and do a quick taste test. I kind of got sidetracked, so it's been in the fridge for about an hour. Oh, it smells good. Alrighty, let's do a little taste test. Oh, I need a fork. All right, here we go. Smells really good. Mmm. Oh. Oh. Mmm. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Friends. Oh, that was loud. I am totally shocked. This is absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The flavor. Mmm. Oh my gosh. I did not know what to expect. I'm telling you, my husband's gonna love this. He's out of town right now. Oh my gosh. I'll let you know on the screen what he thinks. I was gonna take this into work. That's not happening. Oh my gosh. This is an amazing recipe. I just can't even, I don't even know what to say about it. It is absolutely amazing. I love this so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, calm down, Cal. Stop. It's just food. But it's really good. I'm telling you, it's really good. So friends, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you end up making it, please let me know. Or if you've had this, let me know. I'm telling you, it is one of the best side salads I've ever had. Best coleslaw I've ever had. No joke. It is absolutely delicious. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye!